Hello, I'm going to show you how to play Repo on Xbox. So as of March 2025, Repo is exclusively available on PC via Steam, early access, and has not been released on Xbox consoles. However, if you're interested in playing Repo using an Xbox controller on your PC, you can do so by configuring controller support through Steam. Here's how. First, connect your Xbox controller. Ensure your Xbox controller is connected to your PC via USB or Bluetooth. Enable Steam controller support. Open Steam client and navigate to your library. Right-click on Repo and select Properties. Go to the Controller tab. Under Override for Repo, select Enable Steam Input. Select a Community Controller configuration. Launch Repo to access the game's menu. Press the Steam button on your controller to open the Steam overlay. Navigate to controller configuration, browse community layouts and select configuration tailored to Xbox controllers. Apply the chosen configuration. By following these steps, you can enjoy Repo on your PC using an Xbox controller. Keep in mind that while this setup allows for controller use, the game itself remains a PC exclusive at this time.